We are here in Florø today, marking a milestone when the gas export spool between PWP and Norpipe system is complete. This 180-meter long spool will connect the gas from Fenris through PWP to the gas export system, securing gas production for Valhall field for many years to come.
So we're here with a fleet of 2 tugs, a guard vessel, a work vessel, and a semi-submersible barge which will act as a ramp for the spool launch.
Here at Westcon we have been responsible for the fabrication of the spool, which includes welding, coating and the pressure testing. So the fabrication has been done without any incidents, so we're very proud of that. And we're also very proud of delivering a key deliverance for the Valhall infrastructure.
Thanks to everybody who's contributed to this milestone for the Subsea Alliance, including our dedicated teams in Subsea7 and Aker BP, our suppliers. We've had quite a few parties involved, collaborating very well to secure the success of this operation.
The spool will be towed with a submerged suspension configuration 50 meters below the surface to the Valhall field 670 kilometers away, where it will be installed on the seabed.